So I'm going to have an experiment today, and I haven't got very long time wise, so I'm just going to set this and then I will explain to you what I'm doing. So I need to do 150 degrees centigrade and set for 10 seconds. So that's not a very long pressing time at all. Sorry, the bleep's annoying. I've still got ink on my fingers. Right, okay, so that's all set. So what I'm planning on doing is I got some vinyl sheets to try out from Amazon. These, I can't remember how much they were. I think they were just over, oh no, I can't remember. Anyway, my daughter last night decided that I could use a load of her t-shirts to test on. So I created a design. Apparently she wanted something with unicorns on, and I thought this might be good. And what I've done is I've vectorized it. So I'm just going to open it in Infinity Designer. Hopefully if it's saved properly. Just try and save in a big enough file. So if I place it in, I just want to double check that there isn't a hole in it, because I noticed last night when I was vectorizing it there was a bit of a funny hole in it. I just want to double check really. So I'm just going to use the nodes tool. I don't know if you can see there are some holes in here. So what I'm going to do is hopefully delete these little nodes. I mean, I don't know why they even got in there, to be honest. Oh, right. I've got some nodes here as well. Because on the final thing, when the machine cuts it, I don't want to end up with silly little holes. So I'm just going to check everything else. All the other stars seem to be... Oh, no, this one's got a little node in as well. Let's get rid of that. Oh. Sorry, I could put you on a tripod. That would probably be better, wouldn't it? But let's just smooth that corner up a bit. There we go. Looks a little bit better. Oh. Right, okay. Just double check. That's all right. Last star. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to export this as an SVG. No, I'm not. I'm going to export it as a PNG because I think that's the program that my Cricut prefers. Unicorns are magical. And I want to do the selection without the background. The question is, did I select anything? Oh, I didn't select anything. Gosh. Okay, let's try that again. So I want to export it. Unicorns are magical. Selection without background. I want to share it. Save image, and I also want to save it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Cricut. I don't often use Cricut off my iPad actually, so oh, there it is. I hope you're not getting too seasick because I'm holding you. Okay, so I want to sign in. if anyone else has problems with their thumb recognition. I find if I've put cream on my thumb or anything else, it's or it's wet, or oh god, there's loads of things. Right, so I want a new project, and I want to upload, which is down here. Select from photo library and all photos, and I want this one here. Okie dokie, and it's just making sure that I don't want to clean it up. No, that's perfect. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next again because I'd already tidied it up. I don't want it to print, I just want it as a cut image. Oh, anyway, I want that one. So, unicorns. Oh, I should have set this tripod up. My arms are beginning to ache. Unicorns on machine. I need to pay attention. Oh, magical. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Oof. And then I want to upload that image. Insert down the bottom. Now it is a little bit big still, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on it, and I want it to be, oh, God, it's quite a helpful thing that you can zoom in on the one on the Cricut. I think probably 9 inches, I would have thought. Let's just see how big 9 inches is, if I can find a ruler. There we go. So it's going on a children's top, and I think that it might be actually 8 inches might be better, so I'm going to do it down to 8. Okay, and then I'm going to click make it at the bottom. It's going to work. Okay, so there you can see the lines that are going to cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to my Cricut machine, and hopefully, oh, hang on, let's turn it on. Hopefully it will identify it. There it is. Okay. And then it'll be ready to cut. Okay, so what I've done is I have clicked mirror because it's for an iron-on, and I want it to be reversed, and you can see the image is reversed. I've set the material to freezer paper. I'm hoping that's going to be enough. I looked through all the shirts that my daughter donated to me. Most of them were absolutely filthy and needed a wash, but this one seems to be the cleanest of the lot. So I have, oh, you're upside down. There you go. I've put the vinyl onto the sheet, onto the pad. It is the carrier paper is face down, so the vinyl is face up. Hopefully that's the right way round. And then, oh, I need to put it in here, so one sec. Okay, so it's in now. Just wait, right, then we'll see how it goes. Right, so it's come out of the cutter, and it does seem to have pulled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something called weeding, where I take it all out. I'm a bit concerned about all of this, whether this is going to transfer on or not. But I'm going to weed it and see how we go, and then we'll try and get it on the press quick. Okay, so I've done the weeding, which means taking away all the other stuff. Like I said, I'm a bit concerned about the glitter on here, whether it's going to come off or not, but we'll see. I put it on the press. I pre-pressed this. Put that there. Right, let's see how it goes. Hopefully that was enough. I've got to leave it now to cool down, and then I can peel it off. Okay, I may just be a little bit impatient. Let's have a go. So I've peeled some of it off. Look how amazing that is. And look, all this glitter that's on here has not transferred onto here at all. Oh, I lied, tiny bit. Isn't that amazing? I did that. I am so ridiculously excited. That's the first time I have ever done a vinyl. And it's on a t-shirt. That is so exciting. So this can't be washed for 24 hours now, which is fine. I should have moved up a bit to cover that stain there. So my daughter just raided her wardrobe and just gave me a load of clothes that she hadn't worn for a while.